Mount Kilimanjaro. And I'm thinking to take a up close here. There's a lot of holograph look in the sky. These FOs, flying or floating objects, I believe are too large to be particulates. And you'll see what I mean. Some of them are flashing too. Maybe we'll be able to find a few of those. Alright, so down below is the city, and all this up above doesn't belong. Okay? So we're going to get in close and show them to you. I shouldn't have to point them out. A little hologram effect. But I shouldn't have to point them out. I'm going to a few of them so you can see them. They come and they go. Pop in, pop out. You'll get them cylindrical shaped. You'll get them where they look like a boson particle. I doubt that they are. I don't know. But look at all those. Hopefully you can see them. See, there's the ones that look kind of like that boson. But these are all things that don't belong there. Every one of them. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible. I just wanted you to see what it looked like up close. These are all those things. So, they pop in, pop out, pop on this, pop off that. But to shine everything, look at this. See them? That's a building. But all around, they're everywhere. They definitely have energy. Lots of energy. But look it up there. If it was a fixed object, it wouldn't be disappearing. Alright then, we're out of here. Mount Kilimanjaro, up close. What's in the atmosphere? That's what's in there. See you on the next stop.